It must have happened to you that you want to make a low-quality video better. Today we want to offer you a free and easy way to do this, which can be done with the help of Google Colab and without any prerequisites. Also, in the next video, we will introduce a software that you can use to improve the quality of your video locally, without the need for the internet, and with the help of your computer. So, be sure to stay with us and subscribe and like our channel. First, enter this program from Google Colab through the link we have placed in the caption. Now you will see that this tool consists of 2 sections. Next, you need to connect the program to the GPU. To do this, click the Connect button. Wait for the connection to be established. In the first step, click on the play icon in the first section and wait for the desired program to load on the Google Colab system. This process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the package installation is complete, you will see a green check mark in the first section. Now, from the menu on the left, click on the folder icon and proceed to upload your video. Note, it is recommended that the video name be short and in English to avoid any issues. After doing this, click on the 3 dots next to the video file and select Copy Path. Now the address where the video is stored will be copied. Before we move on to the second section, be sure to follow our channel so you don't miss the introduction of the best AI tools with various and categorized applications that we will present in the future. Now, let's go to the second section of the tool. In the first field, paste the video address. The second field does not need to be edited. In the third field, you can set the resolution quality of your final output. In the fourth field, select the AI model you want to optimize your video with. Test all 3 options in sequence to get the best result. Then you need to click the play icon and wait for the output. After some time, your final video will be available for viewing and downloading in the left menu. Now we will show you a sample of video quality enhancement by this AI. If there are many requests for a tutorial on local software that allows you to enhance video quality using your computer's processing power without the need for an internet connection, and if you express interest in the comments in the next videos, I will also teach you how to enhance video quality with your own computer and its software. After your work done, disconnect the GPU. We are very happy to have you with us. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get acquainted with other useful and important AI tools in the future.